Hey y'all, so today I wanted to show you guys my night skin routine. So what I like to do is just pull my hair back. Today I have makeup on, so I feel like it's perfect to show you guys how I do my night skin routine. And so we're just gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm just gonna explain to you guys what I do. So first things first, when I have makeup on, I really like to use the Clinique Take the Day Off. So melting your makeup is essential, and it's so good to take and easier on your skin to take makeup off, and it's easier on your skin. So I have really dry skin, and this is so good, especially because like I feel like it's not drying me out. Now that my makeup is like crazy looking and I'm looking like a raccoon. You have to wash your face though. Obviously, this is not washing your face. This is taking your makeup off. What I like to use to wash this all off is the Lancome Cream Mousse Comfort. And it's specifically for dry skin. I have horrible dry skin. It's so embarrassing. Whoa. I'm everywhere. You literally just need like a dime. Like a little, nothing crazy. It's not at all horrible, and it's so good for dry skin, no lie. Like I'm just really trying to invest and take care of my skin. Growing up, I always heard like my mom growing up would always tell me like start putting, you know, stuff on your face, start putting creams and things like that, because it's so important how you take care of your skin. Now that I'm like 26, I have more money now to splurge in products. So, but I really like to splurge in products that I know are really good quality that will last me. Now that I have it on my skin, I really like to go deeper with my DUVOLLE spin brush. Oh my god. I've been using I can't even talk. I've been using this spin brush for a long time now. I love it so much that I ended up reaching out to them and asking them for a discount code for my subscribers, because girl, spin brushes are no joke. So it has like a few it has, I believe, like 4 attachments to it, and right now this is like the wash one. There's other ones though that comes with this, a body one. There's one that comes for your feet, I believe. I haven't used that one yet. And then there's the one that just that's rougher on your skin for those who have a lot of dead skin. I just really like to use this because it just really it goes deeper than just me putting this on and taking it off. So it moisturizes, so it just gets everything. And I feel like ever since I've been using this product, it's just been helping so much with my scars that I have. You don't have to use a spin brush for like 20 minutes on your face. Please, girls, don't do that, because you're gonna literally damage your skin. So I just use it for like maybe 2-3 minutes, wash my face, blah blah blah, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just like put my, you know, I like to tap on my face. I don't rub my face. I tap it, because honey, it does the same thing. Tapping it is way better than you rubbing on your face, because the more things you do to your face, the more wrinkles you get when you're older. Having really good skin is the key to a good foundation. That's why I've been taking care of my skin a lot, because I would put on foundations and it would just look so bad. It would look so bad. So it would just cling onto my dark spots. So now what I like to use is the Cocoa Butter Palmer formula for skincare. It's just a little bit of oil. Don't put a lot. I'm sorry if I sound out of breath, y'all. This pregnancy is killing me. I feel like I have sinus issues. I don't use a lot. I just put it around here. Like so. Moisture is everything for dry skin. So I just really try to, like, you know, put it under my eyes. And then for the last few things that I do is I put retinol cream on my face. Retinol is really good, especially because as you're aging, it just helps like with fine lines and things like that. So I'm just really, you know, trying to work on my skin. So you put only, but do it only at night. Don't do it during the day because you're gonna look crazy. I heard that it just makes your face like really red, and it's just better to do it at night and not in the sun because the sun doesn't do well. Also, please get your neck. Finally, I use the It Cosmetics Secret Sauce and I put it on my eyes. My son is asleep, so usually my day one is super fast because he's up already, because I'm up when he's up. But the one at night, I really just try to invest a little bit of time for me because I really need it. And so this is just it. This is my night routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and like. And I'll see you on my next one.